Dude, the shock is what's crazy. Do you feel how stiff that shock is?
Wicked stiff.
But dude, the first time you do a wheelie on it, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh. I don't know why it makes such a difference for wheelies, but it does.
How do my shoes look with it?
They look freaking mint. Oh, that made me so happy.
You're doing first or second?
I typically do it second.
I'm the world's worst pit bike wheelie.
Dude, isn't that like insane?
Why can't I go straight?
Oh, the one hand, okay. Dude, isn't that ridiculous? Can you tell the difference?
Oh, it's very stiff.
Yeah.
I don't know if it helps you feel it.
Yeah, he's got it dialed.
Did I tell you what I'm getting?
No. Arm pump?
I'm getting arm pump currently, yes, but I'm gonna get arm pump surgery again. I've decided.
Really? When?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Before
document
Supercross?
it. I'm gonna YouTube it.
Before Supercross?
Are you coming?
Yeah.
Yeah. Please. Yeah.
Well, as you can probably tell, I'm with AJ. We're here at Daniel's house today. We have a trip giveaway tomorrow. We're gonna go to Tomahawk, I think. But he's trying out the BBR springs on the pit bike, which makes a world of difference in my opinion. I can't, oh, he's freaking moving on this thing. Anyway, so we're here at Daniel's house. I get to ride it on my bike. I brought my bike in, the pit bike. I'm super stoked to finally ride it on my own bike. It's gonna be a lot of fun today.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Like that would normally hurt.
Isn't that amazing, dude?
Squish it. Yeah, that makes all the difference. Is that a stock spring? Yeah, I'm kind of curious.
But dude, the 110Ls on the KLX, their springs are
Stiffer.
like halfway to that. You know what I mean?
Wait, is it all the way down neutral?
All the way down to 4 up. Anyway, we have a whole bunch of videos to shoot while we're here. Today, we are shooting ads and just nitty-gritty stuff. And then tomorrow, well, actually tonight, the winner of the trip giveaway flies in. And then tomorrow, we're going to go to Tomahawk and ride. It's going to be a blast. This is going to be a fun weekend. I'm excited. Isn't it amazing? Like this,
oh my god.
and it's just, so I did like, I literally, the only thing I did was the BBR. How you doing over there?
I just knocked the wind out of myself. Really? Oh yeah, I haven't had that happen in a while.
Your back hurt? It looked like it hurt.
You want to learn how to do slow wheelies? Well, don't freaking watch this. You guys want to learn how to do slow wheelies? Subscribe to the motoacademy.com today to learn from myself, Jet Lawrence, and Hunter Lawrence. Subscribe online at the Moto Academy.
Oh, that's so good!
Oh my gosh, I felt that! Holy crap! that in my clutch.
That was the loudest.
My middle finger got shocked on my clutch.
Nuh-uh.
100%.
What?
Whoa.
That was bizarre.
That was like,
Dude. Not sure.
no, like I'm not even kidding. I felt a sting on my finger.
I mean, like, that was really close to us.
That was.
Where the heck is it? Because it's not even dark right there. I mean, and I, wow.
It was right there.
Was it really?
Yeah, I saw it.
Dude,
What if you got struck by lightning?
I would have won. That would have been a dub, dude.
Oh my god.
For safety.
Oh my.
Huh?
You're gonna get ripped from the comments for safety.
Dude, it's not on top of us though.
Dude.
I'm gonna watch the video back and see a little lightning bolt between my finger and the clutch.
What? Oh my god. What if
I'm not even kidding. I felt it. That was the weirdest.
What if your clutch lever got struck by lightning?
Oh, dude.
I would have died.
Yeah.
But your tires are rubber. They're grounding you. No?
I'm not.
I don't think that's how.
I'm not an electrician.
Where's that touchdown?
Yep. I did a very subpar job of filming yesterday. For myself anyway. We shot like 90 videos for AJ, of course, but I almost got struck by lightning. That was about the only thing that happened yesterday for me. Anyway, I think I lost in some relay races. You guys will see those. Last night we picked up Jackson from the airport. Jackson won the trip to come hang out with us for the day. He's a lot of fun. He's super excited. He probably didn't sleep at all last night, but we're gonna go pick him up, do the normal routine of getting coffee, and even going to Chick-fil-A. We do this is what AJ and I do, and then we'll be off to Tomahawk. I'm so excited for Tomahawk. I love Tomahawk. I haven't been there in a while. It's just the best. I love Tomahawk. Hey, you got the $1,000 bucks?
No. I was gonna give it to him at Topgolf. I figured
Okay.
I would make a bet with him on like a game,
Oh, that's a good idea.
and then when I lose the bet because he's good at golf, I'll give him $1,000 back.
Perfect. That's a great idea.
Good idea?
Yep. Oh, it's good to be back. Gosh, I love this place. Here lies Josh's tailbone. All right, Jackson just went out for his warm-up lap and he's moving, so I'm gonna go try to catch him. Well, we ended the day at Topgolf. I love Topgolf. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. Anyway, we're dropping Jackson off. We're driving home real early tomorrow morning. What would you, for my vlog, how was the rest of, what do you think?
This was amazing.
Were
okay?
we everything you expected us to be?
Everything and more.
Yeah, really?
Everything.
We're just the best,
and-
aren't we?
You really are. I mean, I say we keep this party rolling. A1, I'll be there.
Hey, dude, come to freaking A1. That's probably
Yeah.
a shorter flight for you.
AJ, fly me out. It's for him all the time, and I'm like, I really want one. She's like, you're not getting a bidet. And I
Do
was
you
like,
have my freaking whatchamacallit?
What?
My loom cube?
Yeah, it's in my other pocket. Don't
Are you
touch
sure
me.
that's
there.
not it?
Stop touching me, dude.
Cam, it's amazing to see you.
Dude, it's been a pleasure, bro.
This is.
I'm glad you made it out. Glad you made it out. Let's do it again sometime.
I'm not trying to make a shot when I'm dipping in my sun, baby. Got the Gucci band across my chest, yeah. Look at me now, yeah. My collection's on an Instagram, living life like a Kardashian.
Might be best when you're left.
The stance, a little to the left.
But
Ball goes straight every time.